lay down over here. On the common of the lake. This is a different lake than I was at yesterday, but we're gonna see if we can pull up a bass out of this little local lake. It's hard to get on. Everybody owns property around it, but I kind of found a little loophole to get around that. I'm not gonna say the name of the lake, but let's just say that I launched at a restaurant, so I don't think anybody can really say much about that, except for the restaurant owners. But they don't open till later on today, so let's see if we can get any of these fish up on beds or up near the shore anyway. And we just cast it over there, and we got a nice chunky largie right here. Get up out of them weeds. Come on, girl. Ooh. Don't go under my kayak. Come on. She's digging. She's a digger. Come here. Oh my God. This is a nice one. Wow. Look at the back on this girl. Holy crap. Look at that. She's so short, but so fat. Hammered that. June bug color. Friggin' salamander. Oh my God. Nice. Let's get a weight on her and a picture on her. Get some of the salad out of her mouth. Get a weight. And looking at 3.2. Nice girl. Nice 3-pounder. We'll let her go back up there and do what she was doing. Get one last look at her here. Beautiful fish, nice and clean. There she goes. Not even here for 2 minutes. I just launched right over there by them boats. Did about 3 casts. Well, let's hope the rest of the day goes like this. There's one. Wow, that's a nice chunky one too. I think this one's bigger than the last one. Oh. Definitely bigger than the last one. This might be a 3.5. 3-pounder. 3 ounces shy of the last one. Man, these are some fat fish in here though. How fat it is. It's only a 3. It's just they're so short. These guys have like no length on them. Let's let that beauty go. There she goes. Beautiful. What the heck do I got here? They're down in the weeds. I don't know if it's a, oh man. Why has it gotta be one of these guys? Pickerel. Come here, buddy. Don't break my line off, please. Oh, you guys, so crazy. Chain pickerel. Nice healthy one. Check my line quick. Nothing. Good. Damn slime dart. Wow. This one's strong. Get over here. Right over the top of that tree, laying down. I was throwing my jig over the top of it and reeling it in real fast. Or Texas rig, I shouldn't say jig. Wow. He's a spot. No, he's not. He's just a largie. Short and fat, man. These guys in here are not long at all. It's so weird. Look how fat he is. He's like eating up well. Short and fat. All right, buddy. You can go back. There he goes. Throwing over the top of that tree, I kept getting hit. Thought I was getting caught on a branch. But the last time I reeled over, I saw that I was way out of the way of the branch that was under the water, and so I threw back again, and that guy slammed it. Jumped out of the water about 2 feet after I caught him. Thought I was gonna lose him. Man, these Zoom lizards are really durable. Look at this thing, barely together. Look how bad that is, guys. It's still catching fish. Like, I'm down to like 1. That's why I'm not replacing it. I think I have more, but they're a different color. It might work, but I'm gonna use all these June bug colors first. I don't know if there's gonna be any more bass over here by this tree. Ooh, it's got pecked real hard. Might have been a sunfish though. That was close to the surface. See if there's any more bass swimming around this tree. Ooh, I don't know if that was a bite or seaweed. Of course, the wind's gonna blow me right into this thing, right? Try to get it across that without getting snagged. Man, that was cool. That was a cool bite for sure. I don't think there's gonna be anything back there. Probably get snagged. I knew it. Hold on. Yeah, man, I don't even know what it is. If this is a bass and I lose it, I'm gonna cry. It's a bass. Hold on.
No, go ahead. You want me to let you go?
Hold on. I'm almost got him in. Get in the net. Oh, I thought he was bigger than that. God damn it, these guys are fucking tough, dude. It's a... Dude, I threw it out in the middle of the lake, bro. I've been fishing the whole shoreline. Ow. He's so strong. Head shakes. Holy shit. Yeah, he ain't huge. He's probably a 2.5. Because he's so stocky. It's so fucking fat. He's eating up well. But he's not long. They're so short. They're like fucking Oompa Loompas in here, dude. Fucking the lake of Oompa Loompas. It's so weird. Dude, I literally threw it out because I was hitting the bank the whole way. I caught a couple fish off the bank. And I just tossed it out in the middle because I was going to grab a cigar. And my line went donk. Dude, that's crazy. Oh, that's a big bass, dude. Wow. Oh, Come here, buddy, get in that. Oh, he fucking hit like a ton of bricks. I thought I was snagged. God damn.
Is it a big one?
Nah, he's like, I'll send you a picture. They're so, they're built in here weird. They're like short and fat. They're not long at all. There's no length to them. I just lost it. Oh, it came back. Oh my God. This is a nice one. He came back. He smacked it, lost it, spit it, dropped it, whatever. And he came back. Oh, this is a good spot. Oh, whew. This is probably the biggest one yet, I think. Oh, on the bottom, oh, on the tongue. That sucks. I gotta get him unhooked, get him back quick. There we go. I got him hooked in the tongue, so he's gonna bleed a little bit. I gotta get him back in the water before he gets blood all over me. That's a nice fish too. Oh man, we got another one out here. Same spot. That's a nice one too. Wow. We're killing it today, guys. We are getting some hogs out here today. I'm loving it. There we go. It's a nice bass right there. Very healthy. Way out here in like 18 feet. I don't know why these guys are out here so deep, but they are. I'm using this here is a baby brush hog, black red glitter, because this water is super clear. Right now it's a little greenish tint to it, but the water is super clean. There's no motors allowed on this, and they take good care of this lake. So I had to go with something that's kind of natural, and that's like a crawfish color. So I know these guys are eating crawfish, and there's like this is like a big point right here. It comes out, it's like 3 feet, 4 feet, and then it just drops gradually. So I'm just casting up on here because the wind's blowing over the top of it, and I'm figuring that the fish are probably just chilling, waiting for the bait fish to go by, and it's working. I'm kind of just letting it hit that bottom and popping it a few times, giving it a little bit of wiggling action, and slam. I'm getting hammered, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And we're just gonna keep doing this repeatedly until either they stop biting, or I run out of brush hogs, or whatever, or the wind gets too crazy. I haven't really seen anything on the graph, which is weird, but unless I just can't read it right. I mainly use this for water temp and depth. It's 70 degrees water too. Upstate New York. Finally have no rain. Half blue skies. It's a little cloudy up there, and the wind's blowing, so these are really good fishing conditions right here. Partly sunny and light wind. I think I got a slime dart. Oh yeah, I can feel it wanting to break my line apart. There he is. Why? He's actually a good size one. Hooked right in the corner of the mouth too. You know what? Boat flip. Oh, there he goes. Get out of here. Oh, great. He's under my tackle. That ain't cool. Oh, he's gonna try to bite my foot. Come on out. He's actually a bigger one than the last one. Now you got my kayak all slimy. Thank you. Man, is that the same one? Jesus. You guys are horrible. Boat flip. Oh God, these guys. Why they gotta be like that? Stop it. Look how I had him hooked. And my brush hog is gone. Little jerk. Man. You took my brush hog. You took my pride. No. Oh. Line's getting a little crappy. Hope I don't lose a bass. Throw another one of these. These guys are winning. Hey. Alright, I threw up into that shade spot, reeled out about 20 feet. Oh, and I just lost a big one.
Oh, son of a fish.
There we go. Done about 20 casts. Now I'm on the other side of the lake. These guys are so mean. It looks like a cross between a smallmouth and a largemouth, but he's not. Look at the hunchback on this guy. These guys have some crazy shoulders in here. Still using that brush hog too. That thing's holding up good, man. I'm gonna have to buy some more of these things. I'm gonna get some June bug color. I'm gonna stick with this black and red for these clear lakes. It seems to work pretty good. Well, let's keep going and see how many more we can get. Just cast it back up over that way. I don't even know what this thing is. That's a good bass. Come here, buddy. Man, he's digging down in them weeds. Wow, what is that? What? A catfish? Are you a bullhead? Ew, that thing's got nasty things on it. I don't even know what the hell's going on with him. I don't even want to touch his ass. Yo, this thing is beat up. Look at that guy. Yo, he's nasty. Wow. He is gross. I've never caught one of these guys in here. Look at him now. He's all, I don't know, he's got all kinds of shit going on with him. See if I can unhook him without touching his ass. Come here, buddy. I'll let you go once I get this hook out of here. Damn pie hole. Oh, it's really in there. There it goes. Ew. That guy was nasty. I've never caught a freaking catfish in here. Oh my God, I had a huge bass, guys. Probably the freaking biggest. And he got off. He followed me right up. I saw his white flash in the water. Gave it a couple more reels. He came up, slammed it, set the hook, and for some reason he decided to pop off. Sure, you guys ever notice it's always the biggest one too? I'd say he was probably a 4. And that's no lie. I wonder if he knows he was hooked. I'm gonna keep throwing back in there and see if I get him. Now look at the size of this rock bass. This has got to be the biggest rock bass I ever caught in my life. He is a tank. I could fit probably 3 thumbs in his mouth. They're so beautiful. I love their eyes. So underrated. And they fight really, really well. Wow, he's a big rock bass. Damn. Later, buddy. Dang. He hit on that brush hog. Man, I didn't even know I thought it was a stupid pickerel. Man, these guys are fighters. Jesus, they really are. Man. There we go. Man, these guys are absolute fighters in here. Whew. That's amazing how hard they pull for being such small fish. Well, not small, but under 3-pounders. They fight like they're 5s. I thought he was a pickerel. What's the water temp over here? 71. Huh. It's pretty warm. Alright. I got him off of these rocks over here. I don't know if there's any more. Be able to be like that last spot. That one spot, I got like 6, 7, 8 fish off of there. Probably even more than that. Right on the edge of that weed line, right where it drops off. That's where that guy slammed it. Let's keep going. I did not even know I had a fish. I honestly thought, oh, I guess he doesn't want to get netted yet. How'd you miss my net? I did not even know I had a fish, man. I saw my line going across, but the wind was blowing me. I thought it was just hooked onto a weed. You guys just have a different build in here. They're so thick in the back. Man, they're so healthy. It's like fish number, I don't even know, 12. Killing it today, guys. Loving it. Needed this. Thank you, Lord. Oh, look at this little guy. He's the smallest one of the day. Ooh, that water's cold. Get over here. You're like a little spot. You don't even have any lateral stripes. Nothing. Oh, right in your eye, son. Try to get it out the best I can. There we go. Another huge rock bass. Oh my God. I think this one's even bigger than the last one. The size of this freaking rock bass. Oh, don't do it. So squirmy. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Get up here. Ow. Don't stab me. I'm trying to get you out of the kayak. Ow. Stop stabbing me. Get. Oh, this guy's not happy. I got hit from underneath that dock. Get up here. Get in there. Second cast of that dock. First one didn't get nothing. I said, there's gotta be a fish under there. Little guy. Oh, there's a jumper. A little mad that I caught it off that dock. Get over here. Oh, got it. The water feels refreshing. Oh, man, the hook came out. Yeah. All about the same size. Right around the 2.5 pound mark. Oh man, he's an acrobat. Jesus. Get over here, Mr. Shoulders. Ah. Dang. Nice, another 2.5er. On my way back to the truck, decided to cast along. Whoa, getting blown right into it. Decided to cast along this bank that's behind me before I just went to the truck. And we found that guy hiding up in the shallows.